Go out and check the mail again. Remember when I said that bird that shit on my car yesterday? Look at what he did to me this morning. Look what he did to me this morning. He fucking shit it all over the fucking car. Golly. What the fuck? That's all bird poop. There's hairs in it. Oh yeah, this ain't bird, this is a raccoon. No, there's hair in it. There's hair in it. The trees don't got hairs in them. Look, 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 this is hair. Look at all these little hairs. Look at these little hairs here. Look, that's the fucking...